Namaskar. This is Professor Madhuvanti Date, and this is third time that I am attending this workshop by Rivesh Vade, Navel activation, DNA activation and sound healing therapy. I would like to tell you all that it's just a very indescribable sort of an experience, okay? This which you can only feel, and words may not be able to do justice, but still I am trying my level best. Well, it offers you a plethora of benefits such as mental peace, spiritual awakening, material prosperity, and it is like basically coming home, for a soul. It's like coming back home from the chaos outside. When you come back home, you know how do you feel. So it's just the same feeling. And I have already told these people that I would be attending this very frequently. The number doesn't really matter. And I would also very strongly recommend to all the people that it will also offer you the scientific explanation as to why should you believe things the way you do. So scientific explanation along with the spiritual journey. That would be the unique selling proposition for this.